you know, people have a Genesis and pay the same amount I pay for a Genesis for this, just because they ain't got good credit. And they really don't understand the system. They really don't understand interest rates. They really don't understand the rules of money. So, you know, talking to the Minister of Finance, man, I was given that name because I started to drop jewels on people, man. And these jewels started changing people's lives. Not just my life, because it's not just about me, it's about the people. And I realized that we were one of the most underserved group of people there is when it came to information. And I wanted to bridge the gap. I wanted to start to teach our people the A to Z's to being able to actually live the life on their terms. No longer be an employee. Or if you're an employee, you understand the power of becoming and being a business owner. So I teach you the rules of the game. Not only do you make more, but you keep more. CEO Realty Partners, CEO Wealth Group, wherever you want it at, baby. This the life. We're gonna take you from where you're at to where you wanna be. And we're gonna give you the GPS, a financial GPS, to get you where you wanna be in the shortest amount of time, in the least amount of hassle as possible. So call me, man. I'm the minister, AKA Minister of Finance. I'm looking forward to talking to you.